Can a man build an empire to mercy instead of fear? Today, we travel back 2,500 years to meet a king whose legend still sparks debate. Cyrus the Great, the founder of the Persian Empire. Historians from Herodotus to Babylonian scribes remembered him not as a butcher or tyrant, but as something far rarer. A conqueror who chose tolerance, but was he truly merciful? Or was mercy simply his sharpest weapon? In the next few minutes, you will decide. Cyrus was born a minor Persian prince, ruling a small tribe on the Iranian plateau. Persia at the time was under the dominance of the more powerful Median Empire ruled by his own grandfather, King Astyages. According to Herodotus, a prophecy foretold that Cyrus would one day overthrow him, a story that pushed Astyages to paranoia and cruelty. When Cyrus finally revolted, he defeated his grandfather and took the throne of Media. But here's our first sign of the Cyrus paradox. Instead of slaughtering the Medes, he spared them, united their armies with his own, and created one nation out of two rival peoples. Conquest for unity? Nah, annihilation. Next, Cyrus set his eyes on Lydia, ruled by Croesus, the richest king of the ancient world. Herodotus tells us that Croesus trusted the oracles and believed it could defeat Cyrus. He was wrong. Lydia fell and Croesus was captured. Most conquerors would have executed a defeated king to prove their dominance. But Cyrus chose another path. He spared Croesus, and according to Greek tradition, even a welcome has an advisor. Again, the sword wins the battle, but mercy maintains the peace. Babylon. The great city fell in 539 BCE, and here are sources writing. The Nabonidus Chronicle, a Babylonian record, states that Cyrus entered the city without battle, and that his troops were ordered to respect local temples and protect civilians. Instead of tearing Babylon down, he positions himself as a liberator, restoring religious festivals, honoring Babylon's gods, and allowing displaced peoples, including the Jews, to return to their homelands. This policy later became immortalized in the Cyrus Calendar, often called perhaps a bit dramatically the world's first Declaration of Human Rights. Now let's pause for a moment. Is this mercy or brilliant strategy? By respecting local traditions, Cyrus gained something no ancient empire ever had: loyalty from the conquered. His empire stretched from the Aegean Sea to the Indus River, the largest the world had ever seen, and yet it remained surprisingly stable. How? Cyrus organized his empire through satrapies or provinces, each governed by local elites under Persian supervision. He built roads, improved communication, and allowed cultures to breathe instead of suffocating them. People who might have rebelled instead cooperated. But Cyrus, like all mortals, could not conquer death. He died in battle around 530 BCE, and his sons, Cambyses and Badia, struggled to maintain his balance of power. The empire would live on, but no successor ever quite matched its mix of strength and restraint. So, we return to our question. Was Cyrus the Great truly the most merciful conqueror in history? Or did he simply understand that respect, freedom, and tolerance were smarter tools than terror and destruction? In the end, his legacy lives on because it changed not just borders, but the very idea of empire.